Okay, let's start at the very beginning. What is a marketing plan? A marketing plan is a tangible set of goals and steps which show how a company is going to achieve its business plan. So for example, a company may have a business plan which says it wants to grow over the next 5 years. But the questions remain, how would that happen? Is that against existing customers or new customers? And what plans and steps will be put in place to make it actually happen? We tend to write marketing plans for the benefit of senior managers to explain what we intend to do and to get a budget in order to do it, and also to align all of the people internally within the company who will be required to contribute to making that happen. Okay, so let's look at the 5 things you need to put in a marketing plan. Number 1, you need to have clear marketing goals, objectives, and measurements to check that you've achieved those. For example, let's increase value share by selling more of the product that we currently do to existing consumers, and we're going to increase our value share by 20% within a year. Number 2, let's talk about who is going to be this target consumer. Segmentation, personas, trying to identify clearly where these people are and how we're going to reach them. Number 3, competitive analysis, a SWOT analysis of who else is out there offering an alternative to us, what's their strengths and weaknesses, and what are we going to do to make ourselves different than them. Number 4, tangibly, what marketing mix are we going to use? Are we going to use promotions? Are we going to use trialing devices? Are we going to use advertising? And finally, what are the risks and barriers that might prevent this plan from happening? And what are we going to do to mitigate those risks now that we know those in advance?